All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna go ahead and remove the vinyl wrapping and rewrap the chrome trimming that's on the windows. And the reason why is because it's chipping in one of the corners on the driver's side. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that now. All right, so that's where it's chipping. Everywhere else is fine. Under the doors and everything, it's starting to peel off a little bit, but that's nothing. So I'm gonna do my best to rewrap everything, remove it in one whole piece. I looked over it before and I gotta kind of have a plan on how I wanna rewrap it and how I'm gonna remove it, because the previous owner or whoever did it before have 3 pieces and they're all overlapping each other to secure it. But this is my first time wrapping, using vinyl wrap at that. So I'm gonna do my best to get it as neat as I can, make it look good as possible. So let's go ahead and set everything up, remove the vinyl wrapping, and I'll set you guys up for a time lapse. All right, so I unwrapped the old wrap, and man, this car looks so weird and awkward with just the chrome. And it has gotten humid out. It's rained. It rained this morning, rained last night, and it's supposed to be in the high 80s today. So it's very humid in the garage, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to get you guys set up without having to adjust the camera multiple times, stopping in the middle of the wrap, because I don't wanna have to overlap it if I don't need to. So let's go ahead and jump right into the overlap. All right, so I got the basics of running the wraps, as you can see from here. So I tried my best to get most of the excess on the bottom down here, mainly because it'll be easier to cut and I want to worry about scratching the body or the paint of the car. So this is just what I did real quick. So I try to get it as best as I can, and I will go over it again before I finish cutting everything up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys back up for the time lapse and finish this one side, and then I'll get the other side of the vehicle some other day. But just for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do one side, because the other side is just gonna be the same process, just repeated and mirrored, because it's the passenger side, not the driver's side. Alright guys, so far this is all I've done. I just did the top trimming, and I'm actually impressed for my first time wrapping something. It actually looks pretty good. There's a couple spots where I could use some improvement, but other than that, it doesn't look too bad. I tried to smooth it out as the best as I can, and I don't have a heat gun, so I wasn't able to wrap it. And what I mean by that is underneath here, you can kind of see where I messed up a little bit because I wasn't able to heat up the wrap and then shrink and pull it to contour to the curves and everything that I needed it to do. Oops. So I tried my best to get it to wrap around the chrome completely, but other than that, I didn't do too terrible of a job. I'm obviously, after this video, I'm gonna go ahead and go over it again and tidy everything up so it looks as nice as possible. So when you open the door, you can't really tell that it's a wrap, and it looks like it's factory. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna get some lunch, cool down a little bit because it is hot. The sun's came out, all the moisture from the ground just turned into humidity. But so far I got majority of the panels done. The only thing I need to do is the front driver's side door. Alright, so now that I had lunch, cooled down a little bit, now I can go ahead and get to the more tricky part, is the driver's side door with the mirror on it. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of work around that, but I'm gonna also do my best to keep it as clean as possible and not do it as quickly, but try to rush through it because I'm tired and I have things to do inside before I can finish up my day. So the other side may have to wait for another day, which will be off video like I said earlier, mainly because it's just going to be the same process on the passenger side of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and throw you guys back up on the time lapse, and then we'll finish out from there. Alright guys, so I got everything wrapped up. Get it? Wrapped up. So I'm done with everything. Everything's vinyl wrapped back to what it was before I unwrapped everything. But the reason why I unwrapped it is because I wanted a fresh looking wrap. Now the wrap on here, I don't know how long it's been on here, and I don't know how the previous owner did it, but it started chipping in the corner, and that was really bothering me. The other side I may not do, but just because this wrap is newer, I may end up just doing the passenger side anyway. But the wrap I got was easy auto wraps, and I bought it on Amazon, and I have the link down in the description, and it's not an affiliate link, so don't worry about that. And and I only bought a 25-foot roll. I recommend to do 50 because after just doing one side, this is all that's left. So 50 foot would be plenty. It will be maybe a lot more extra than needed. But if you decide to wrap, you know, interior parts like I plan on doing, like the door handles and, you know, a couple of the chrome or gray trims, I plan on wrapping those black so it's, you know, it looks good on the inside, not just on the outside. So thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you think this car looks better with the chrome trimming back from factory or this Satan black vinyl wrap I just put on it. And then also comment how you on the job I did on the wrapping. I know I didn't do my best. I could have done a little better, but for my first time, I didn't think I did too bad. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video.